Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. As promised, I'll be sharing with you my easy-to-cook tipid ulam that I was able to discover during this pandemic. At sisimulan ko sa pamansang delata na mahal ng lahat, ang sardinas. And for today, I will cook sardinas in 2 different ways. Tara, simulan na natin! Balatan ng carrots and chop into small pieces. Same goes with the patatas. I-chop na maliliit. Iyakan time ang sibuyas, baw. Then, balatan ng bawang at hiwain na maliliit. Crack the eggs and beat thoroughly. Open the can of sardines, then separate the fish from the sauce. Pagkatapos igisa ang bawang sibuyas, carrots and patatas, ihalo ang sardinas at itlog. Isama na ang harina, asin at paminta sa mixture. Ito na ating tortang sardinas. Iluto naman natin ang lumpiang sardinas. Madali lang ito. Mix all the ingredients bago ibalot sa lumpia wrapper. Ito na ang ating lumpiang sardinas. That will be all mga kabudgetarians. I hope you like this video. Just in case you would want me to share something else, just comment down below so I can check and upload based on your request. Oops, ko lang. Please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. Then click the bell notification button so you'll get notified on any new videos that I upload. See you again next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!